Hi guys, and Happy New Year's. Today is January 3rd and I took off so I can do a mental and home decor reset. I was supposed to be home by myself, but lo and behold, a snowstorm came. So the kids are here, the dogs are out back. You guys even see? There we go. So I'm still going to do my mental reset. They're going to stay out of my way. I have some planning to do around the house with calendars and my planners. I still have to take down some of this Christmas decor. So I'm just going to jump right into it, trying to make today as productive as possible. So if you're cleaning your house too, let's do this together.
So I got these containers from Amazon. You get 4 of them for I think like $17. I've been meaning to do a refrigerator organization video because I need to organize my refrigerator so badly. But for now, we're doing baby steps, and I'm just going to start off with filling this with some leftover produce. And then I decided to order a smaller juicer because I needed something a little more compact and easier to clean.
So here is the work in progress. It's not cute, but right now it's functional. These are some baskets from the Dollar Tree. I would prefer if they were clear, so that's what I will switch them out. But I just put some leftover vegetables that would not fit anywhere else or that were just hard to get to. So I have some celery in there and carrots and potatoes. Guys, I love these pear apples. I get them from Target. They are so delicious. Then I have some of my greens. As you can see, I put my containers in there that I just filled. And then I have my citrus fruits and my apples and oranges. And this is just my deli drawer. Y'all, this Chow vegan cheese is so delicious. I just have to have it. This is the Lisso iron fish. It's a natural resource of iron. And yes, I know I say iron funny. Go and sit down. This is a 2-pack. I ordered it off of Amazon. It was $27 and it is safe for children, for athletes, for vegans, and even for pregnant women. If you are anemic, this is the tool for you. I cannot rave enough about it. You can incorporate into your cooking. So if you're cooking pasta, or if you're boiling water, or even if, I don't know, you're making a soup, you can throw it in there. How it works is you just put it into whatever you're cooking. For me, I use it with water. I activate it with some type of citrus. So in this case, I used an orange, but you can use a lemon. I just couldn't find one. You can also use apple cider vinegar. You let it boil, you sit, let it cool, pull it into a container. Just remember to take it out. Don't let it sit in the water for too long after you boil it because it will tarnish. So I rub mine down with some type of oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and then you just store it. You can get so many uses out of this. And guys, it works. I can tell when my iron levels are down. My nails get super brittle. My hair starts to shed more. This really has helped me a lot. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an update. We have one Christmas tree down. Still have to take down that stuff, which is gonna look really weird because I'm not putting all of the stuff back on the shelf that was up there before. So I think those 2 shelves are gonna be blank for now. I have to remember how I styled this table, and we have 2 more Christmas trees to go. This one is going to go back in that corner, and then Phoebe is going to go back here. Okay, so I've put back, well, all of the Christmas stuff is put away, except for the wreath. I still have to get it on the door. And then I have to start rearranging things around my house and putting them back the way they were. Only I don't remember what my coffee table's setup was. I'm gonna have to look at a few videos or pictures and figure it out. Or I might just freestyle and do something else. So I'm collecting these books to put them back. Some of this stuff was taken off of the coffee table, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I wanted to show you guys how I plan on staying organized this year. In addition to me using planners, we also decided to get a calendar. My friend does this. It helps her to keep on track with all her family's activities. So this is our family calendar. The kids can write on here. Anything that I need to be reminded of, anything that I need to do for them for school. And also me and my husband can use it to just be on sync with any appointments that the children have. And I put it in a high traffic area. So I will show you, we have front steps, and then we come around and we have these back steps, and the kids use the back steps to enter the kitchen all the time. So fingers crossed, this will help us to stay on track of our life. Okay guys, there's one more thing that I want to mention before I end this vlog. It is this planner, not the planner in particular, but what I plan on using it for. So last year, I set a few goals to do some personal things for myself, and I just never could seem to find the time to do them, or really the energy, and then the drive, and then motivation. So I just didn't do them. And this year, I want to be more intentional about taking care of myself. If you're somebody like me, you're a mom, you're busy, you're a wife, you're being pulled every which way, I think it's very important for us to take time to just breathe. So I plan on keeping this as a gratitude journal, as well as a planner for me to remind me, girl, go and get your eyebrows done. Or when's the last time that you got a massage? Let's go and get a facial. Remind myself to do a body detox, to meditate, to pray, to fast, so on and so forth. I plan on using this to keep on track of my life, because I need to get my life. So I think that this is a great idea for anybody who is like me and you need reminders. And setting a cell phone reminder if something doesn't work for me, I'm the type of person, I need to write things down. And by using this as a gratitude journal, this will help me to write in it every single day and just to remind myself to take care of myself. And until next time, take care.